So if we put 3 into our first derivative, we want to see what the answer would be now. We would say, okay, well, you remember we would say this should be equal to 72, so we're now just going to get it, and we would have 162 plus 6a plus b being equal to 72, right? Now we do know what a is. A is negative 171 minus 3b over 9. So I could say 162 plus 6 multiplying negative 171 minus, is it the 3b? Yes, minus 3b all over 9, and this plus b is equal to 72. We're going to have that now. Okay, we've used the method of substitution. We've put what a is. So now we're just going to simplify. So, well, there are many ways to kill the cat. One way is to try and simplify, I guess. But I don't want to do that. I would rather say, you see, since 9 is dividing, I want to get rid of it. So I'm going to multiply everything by 9. So it's going to be 162. Let's do it. What is 162 times 9? You can get here 1458. You now say plus 6 multiplying negative 171 minus 3b, because the 9 is gone, plus 9b is equal to, we can now say, what is 72 times 9? Well, here we would get 648. Now our job is to just find what b is, and then we'd find what a is, and we'll be done. So we can now say 1458, then 6 by negative 171, I'm going to say 6 by 171 is 1026. So it's negative 1026. Then here negative 6 by 3 is 18b. Then plus 9b is equal to 648. Okay, 648. Which b is bigger, 9 or 18? Obviously it's 18, and it's positive on the right. So I'm going to take the b's to the right and keep the numbers on the left. So I have 1458 minus 1026, then minus 648. This is equal to 18b minus 9b. And I would have now, let's simplify. So I would say 1458 minus 1026 minus 648. I would rather do the longer method to make sure I get my answers. 84 is equal to 18b minus 9b. This becomes 9b. Okay, so this is what I'm having so far. 1458 minus 1026 minus, oh no, this should be 648, not 348. So this is 648. This should be, here I'm getting negative 216 is equal to 9b. So now I would say, okay, this negative 216 divided by 9. So I would say negative 216 divided by 9 is my b, which is just a negative 24. So my b is negative 24. How good is that? Then now I'm trying to find a. So I've written big stuff here. It's way too big. You should make sure that it's small so that you can write at least 2 rows of a solution. So I'm going to have to do that. Make it small so I can go and write the other solution as well. So I'll do this. Change the size like that. All right, now I've changed the size. Let's continue now. I would have found my b. Now I want to find my a. So obviously, sorry for that. Now I want to find my a. So what am I going to do? I'm going to say, okay, what did you tell us though? You told us that a is negative 171 minus 3b over 9. So I can say a is equal to negative 171 minus 3b all over 9. So you're going to say, let b be equal to negative 24. Now I would say my a will be equal to negative 171 minus 3 by negative 24 all over 9. And what am I going to get? I'll get my a being equal to, let's see now, 24 by 3. I'll get 72. So it's negative 171. Then this actually becomes plus 72, and this is over 9. So now I would say 72 minus 171. Okay, so 72 minus 171. Oh my goodness, 72 minus 171. I would get negative 99. Then divided by 9, this would have a being equal to negative 11. So this is actually my solution. A is negative 11, and I have my b, and I have my a, and I should be done. Yes, this just want me to find the values of a and b. And I found b as negative 24, and I found a as negative 11. So these are my solutions, and I'm going to go on to the next question now, which is going to be part B, and I'll do it in the next video, and we just go on. Okay, so goodbye for now. We'll meet in the next one.